So today marks day 4 of Gwyneth Paltrow's high-profile ski collision trial.
Both the actress and the man suing her could take the stand as soon as today. Terry Sanderson claims to have sustained lasting physical injuries after Paltrow crashed into him at a Utah ski resort 7 years ago. He is seeking more than $300,000 in damages. But Paltrow says Sanderson caused the crash and is countersuing him for $1 and attorney fees.
Joining us now for more on this is CBS News correspondent Janet Shamlian. Janet, skiers know that we ski at our own risk, but for these two, they seem to have financial, I don't know.
Confrontation.
Confrontation.
Now, right?
There you go.
Yeah.
Exactly, Elaine. Thank you. What can you tell us about what we might expect today?
So today we're expecting to hear, guys, from Terry Sanderson. He is the 76-year-old retired optometrist who has been in this legal battle with Gwyneth Paltrow for 7 years now, who says he suffered severe injuries, and he's supposed to talk about what happened that day at the Deer Valley Resort in Utah. He alleges that Paltrow ran into him, and as a result, for the past 7 years, he's suffered a number of issues beyond the broken ribs and the concussion that he had that day. Now, if there's time today, it's also possible that Gwyneth Paltrow will take the stand.
And Janet, give us a sense of what unfolded in the courtroom yesterday.
A lot of medical testimony, Elaine. We heard from Sanderson's daughter, who talked about his cognitive decline over the past 7 years. Now, he's 76, so people questioned, or Paltrow's side questioned, is this due to his advancing age? Is it really a result of the ski accident? We also heard from his doctor, who testified to neurological issues he's had.
And we can't deny she's a massive celebrity, so there's the suspicion that he's just out for money. But what else can we then expect to see from this trial, despite both of them blaming the other?
Absolutely. So it's an 8-day trial. Her side has got 4 days next week. We think we will see Gwyneth Paltrow testify, obviously, for her side, but also her children, Moses and Apple, her husband, who was with her at the time, her ski instructors who were with her at the time, and medical experts. And it's really important to note that she was the downhill skier. Even Sanderson admits that she was the downhill skier at the time, or the further downhill skier. And, you know, according to anybody who skis knows that that uphill skier bears responsibility for, you know, preventing accidents. So it'll be interesting to see what they say.
Yeah, certainly a case that's getting a lot of attention. Janet Shamlian. Janet, thank you.
Thanks, Janet.